We want our hips to be high in the water and our head neutral. When it comes to your freestyle pull, your fingertips should enter the water about 18 inches in front of your shoulder at a 45-degree angle. Middle finger first. Try not to cross your arms along the center of your body here. Follow up your hand entry with a long, reaching extension through your shoulder and arm. Bend at the elbow and point your fingertips down toward the bottom of the pool and start to pull straight back. Try to keep your elbows above your hand for most of the pull. Keep that elbow high during recovery too. Don't squeeze your fingers together. Keep them semi-relaxed with a few millimeters of space between them. As you take a stroke, you'll notice your body rotating to one side. If you want to breathe, try to keep one eye in the water and one eye out of the water to maintain good alignment. Take a quick breath and get your head back into neutral for your next stroke. Exhale while your face is in the water and turn to take another breath when you're ready. Focus on a hip-driven kick that's small and fast, and keep those knees from bending too much. Think of your kick as a tool to help you maintain proper body position and drive your rotation.